Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Easy DIY here yet again with another video. If you're new, please kind of subscribe. So today I'm just gonna be showing you how you can use this dash cam I have here to track your car. This is an AZDOME dash cam. This is the M350 dash cam. In my previous video I've shown you how I was able to install this dash cam, and at the same time I was able to connect this dash cam using my OBD-II port. And currently you see the car is off, the car is not running, but the dash cam is actually working. So it gives you a 24-hour power, and it protects. Also make sure that your battery don't run dry. If you want to see my video on that, it's on my page, you can check it out. But for today's video, it's just how you can use the same dash cam to track your car. You can see here it has a function that's called Apple Find Me. You can actually use an Apple device, iPhone, iPad, or iWatch if you have one, to actually connect it to this dash cam, and you'll be able to track it. I don't have an iPhone. I use an Android phone, but I can as well use my iPad here. I'm gonna be logging into my iPad and show you how you can actually use it. So this is my iPad. First thing you want to do, this is the Find Me app, but one thing you want to do is first to make sure your Bluetooth is turned on your Apple device, and at the same time you have the location turned on. Those two things are critical. Once you do that, you're gonna come to the Find Me. You can currently see this is the iPad I have, and it says it's currently with me, so it's definitely within my range. But I'll show you how you can connect this to the dash cam. Okay, so to do this, first, that's a button right here. That's a yellow button right here. That's an F. I don't know if you see that. That's a button right here. That's the Find Me button. All right, so you're gonna put your app, Find Me app, you're gonna say order, you're gonna tap that button, you're gonna hear one beep sound. Wait a minute, you hear one beep, right? Give a beep sound. So you come here, so find out the device, and you can see it finds Dashcam F1, right? And then you're gonna connect to it. So I can put the name of, I can give it a name. I can say my car, I can give it a Kia Sorento. All right, let's just give it a name. And I said continue. Whatever, you can give it an emoji if you want to give it an emoji. But no, I give it this emoji right here, and I can continue. All right, so it gives my car details, information about it, and I agree to it. And then you see, it tells you where the direction is as well, where you can find, and I said finish. All right, so now the device is also in my app, right? You can see my Kia Sorento, and now it's connected. Look at my Kia Sorento attendant time. If I click on it, it says, hey, I can click on direction. It's gonna show me the direction to where it is, so get notified where no. But again, it can also show you allow ones, don't allow. Yeah, so I'm 1 minute away from it because I'm sitting in the car right now. So that's the cool thing about this device, right? You can be anywhere within this range, and then it can always find it for you. So if you like this dash cam and you would like to have another type of this dash cam here, this is AZDOME M350. I will leave a promo code right here where you can purchase it and you get some discount off on Amazon. It's quite available. You can see it's still showing me direction on how to locate this dash cam. So this is actually cool. You track the dash cam with your Apple device. All right, so after I connected the device, the dash cam now to my iPad to use the Apple Find Me, you can see you can locate. Now, questions thought that could actually come up will be, can you actually track your car even when you are further away from Dashcam? As you all know, the Apple Find Me features on this Dashcam uses a Bluetooth connectivity. So you have to be within a certain range, about 60 to 120 feet of the Dashcam, to be able to be located by Apple Find Me. However, if your car is further away from you, let's say you're in another state or you're further away from your car, what happens is that if somebody that uses Apple is closer to the Dashcam, right, it will pick the location of this Dashcam and relay to you on your own device and be able to find the location. Now, you may ask that, what if my car is not running, if it's turned off and it's not running? First, like I mentioned, I was able to connect this Dashcam directly to my OBD port, so I have a constant power to it. However, if yours is not like that, AZDOME, the manufacturer of this Dashcam, ensure that they have a battery that powers the Bluetooth connectivity of the Apple Find Me. Even though the battery does not power the Dashcam to turn on, it keeps that feature, the feature of Apple Find Me, active in the Dashcam. So if your car is not even turned on, the Apple Find Me feature is actually on and running. So if someone using an Apple come closer to your car that has that same feature on, the Dashcam will use the location of the Apple user who come close to your car to locate, and that will relate to your Apple device. I've actually tried it. I was further away from my car and actually look it up, and it was able to give me direction. So if you are interested in buying this Dashcam, like I said, this is an AZDOME Dashcam. This is the M350 4-channel Dashcam. I have a link in this video, and I have also a promo code that you can use to get some discounts off. So all that being said, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Appreciate it. See you again.